Hey guys, I'm BadMark, teaching you bad things like always, and today I'm going to teach you how to steal somebody's skin if you have their username. So I made this page here on my website, download Minecraft skin by username. If you go into the description of this video, you will see the link, or you can just go to nicemarkmc.com and find this post, and there you have it. So my skin is right here, so if you want to use my skin, you can just save it from here. It is the first skin that you will see. But if you want to find somebody else's skin, then you just enter the username. For example, let's say I want the skin of, I don't know, Dinnerbone. Just press download and there you have it. This is the skin, and now what you have to do is just press right click, save image as, and this file is the skin file, which you need to put into the launcher of Minecraft or into the settings, depending on which version you're using, if you're using Bedrock or Java Edition. So that's that. And this is basically it. I don't really have a reason to make the video long, so thank you for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye bye.